say birds of the same feather, flock together, left from whatever. Been some lonely endeavors, with your eyes to the heavens, they never expected. Find myself flying the highest when I'm an eagle in perfect alignment. Get faith or die trying. I feel like David, I see Goliath. I think I'm Daniel. Take out the.
It's your girl Britt, aka RockYourGlory. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching and coming through. So you already know what it is. It is natural hair products I love. I've been seeing a couple of bigger influencers doing this video, so I'm like, okay, why not? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't get paid for this, but why not do it? You know what I mean? So I'm gonna show you guys the products I've been liking and the products that I've been loving and stuff like that. So the first product I got for you guys is the Inspired by Made Beautiful. It's leave-in detangler. Now this stuff is so moisturizing. It's so good. This is the first leave-in I used in my hair when I had got my hair cut this short. So I loved it when I did my coils, my first set of coils. This is amazing. This might be a staple for my short hair. So yeah, like I just recently used another leave-in conditioner that was a spray and it had nothing on this. Let me just tell you that. This leave-in conditioner is moisturizing, it's soft, it smells so good. It feels like it got oils in it and all that stuff like that. So yeah, this definitely, and I only used it one time and it still looked like it's full. So I'm definitely going to be using this again. I got two products by the same line, and this is the Creme Nature Pure Honey Leave-In Detangler and the Creme Nature Pure Honey Twisting Cream. I love both of these products. I just repurchased this one. And this one is still full. I used it 2 times, used it twice, and it feels like butter in your hair. That leave-in detangler is so, like, this stuff is so good. Like, I used up my first bottle, so yes, this is amazing. I love this stuff. Like, I tried it with my longer heat damaged hair. I can't wait to see the results, how it is on my shorter, completely natural hair. This is Gorilla Snot. And I've been using this for my edges because I got shorter hair. So when you have shorter hair, your edges definitely have to be on fleek. And I tell y'all, my edges be staying with this stuff. I don't have to put no scarf on or nothing like that. The truth. I love Gorilla Snot. It was only $3. This is not bad for $3, bro. It was only $3 and I got it from the hood, okay? Only $3. So I'm definitely gonna be purchasing this again. I've been using it like crazy. So yes, this is one of my staples for my short hair gang, okay? Short hair gang. This is one of my staples. I won these in a giveaway. I won like all the products that they have for this line, but these two stood out the most. I love the oil. The oil was bomb. This conditioner was cool. It didn't smell like nothing, but it was cool, detangled my hair very well, and I will have a tutorial for you guys soon with this product, so stay tuned for that. But this really detangled my hair really well with my short hair. So yeah, so this is a new line out. It's called Product Junkies, and I have won 5 of their products in a giveaway. Y'all been winning giveaways like crazy this year, but God is so good. But I won these in the giveaway. And this deep conditioner, I did not have to use that much. And it smells so good, y'all. Look at it. It smells so good. Yeah, this styling cream, moisture, bomb. I used it 2 times. Before, a couple weeks before I cut my hair. I used it twice. 2 times I used this. Bomb. Okay, bomb. And this deep conditioner is bomb. And their products are good, but these are my favorite for the products I used in 2018. These are my favorite ones out of the Product Junkie line. I just recently bought their gel and I can't wait to try it. I've been liking gel on my hair lately with a good cream. I use a leave-in, a cream, and a gel because I want my hairstyle to last for 2 weeks now that it's shorter. And I'll try not to put my hands in my hair too much in this season. But I will be using this as a cream with the gel and see how it goes, okay? But yeah, I was gonna do a tutorial on this, but I'm like, my hair short now, why not just start over? So I started over and the footage wasn't right, so I could not post it. But y'all, these products are bomb. Y'all need to go on her page at Product Junkie Naturals on Instagram. She is so nice, a wonderful owner, and she talked to her clients and she stayed active on their page. She's not just one of those owners like, oh yeah, like I'll repost you, but I won't interact with you. Like, no, she interact with you and all that stuff like that. So yes, I'm definitely a fan. So stay tuned for a tutorial on that with my shorter hair, okay? So I used this for a twist out I had a couple weeks ago before cutting my hair. I know I didn't use some of these products before cutting my hair, but I used this and it's very moisturizing. Very moisturizing. Now, Mielle, they have great customer service. Oh my God, they're amazing customer service, and I love them. So that's why I'm still gonna be a fan. This is a bomb twist and souffle, bomb. I loved it. But this right here, okay. This is the Curls Cashmere and Caviar hair mask. I won this in a giveaway. I know y'all gonna hear me tired of hearing me say it. I won this in a giveaway by The Real Lad, and I have a review on this, so make sure you guys check it out. I will link all my reviews that I have on these products in the description box. But this mask, I loved it. Out of all the products, I love this. You know, like the products that they have for this line do not, they say they have a soft hold. So for a person who don't like the soft hold, these products aren't for you. But this mask, I love the mask and the hair bath. I want them to come out with a conditioner. Hopefully they do. But they had this deep condition, this hair mask, and it was amazing. So yeah, like I liked it. They also had the serum I liked. Hold on. This serum right here. Yes, like I love this serum. I loved it, you guys. Like it was so bomb. Like bomb. B-O-M-B. I love the serum. These two are the staples that I will repurchase again out of the whole Cashmere and Caviar line. So thank you guys for watching and coming through. I appreciate you guys staying tuned and watching my videos. So until next time, put in the comment section what products you like, what products you tried this year, and what you like and what you love and all that stuff like that. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Deuces.
The dark brown shades of my skin only add color, only add color, only add.
Warning.